So, no two spills are alike. If you take home any message today, that's one of the messages that you should take home today. No two spills are alike. What got spilled? Is it a diesel fuel? Is it a number 6 fuel? Is it a bunker fuel? Is it something else? The volume. Was it a 5,000 gallon spill, 50,000 gallon spill, 500,000 spill? Over the last 2 years, 2017, 2018, we responded to over 200 spills. And these are just marine spills for the most part. And it does include some hurricane responses such as Florence, Michael, Irma. And for example, 2018, of the 201 incidents that we worked, 166 were oil. So the lighter the oil, generally speaking, easier to clean up, but more toxic to the environment. The heavier the oil, low acute toxicity, but very, very difficult to clean up.
Do you all know which government agency has the lead responsibility for marine oil spill response? And you've got FEMA, Environmental Protection Agency, Coast Guard, NOAA, Department of the Interior, and other. The system is set up in the United States. We don't often get a chance to reach all the way back to communities, and especially fishermen and others. So the responders and the planning community kind of talk to ourselves. So we have a little bit this morning to sort of tee this up for more exchange of information, so that we learn something about your views and you can learn a little bit more of kind of the realities of our world.
In the beginning, we first started developing oil. Shortly thereafter, we began spilling it, and we began spilling it regularly. As with all good environmental legislation, it is reactive, and it's reactive usually because there was a tipping point.
As we've heard already most of the day, a lot of what we're dealing with is uncertainty. How bad is it? How much was spilled? What are the physical impacts? What are the environmental impacts? What are the public health impacts? What are the economic impacts? Okay, so there's a lot of uncertainty associated with that. And what we know about uncertainty is that it causes stress.